Hello, welcome to Fibonacci Mathematics. Today we'll be looking at how to find square root of numbers without using calculator. And we're still going to use our long division method. Sometimes you might want to ask, why long division? This is one skill every student must get at primary 3 and primary 4 level. If any child is not well equipped with that skill, that child will struggle in mathematics also. So it is better we start laying the foundation early. So let's quickly go into what we have today. Square root of numbers without calculators. So we're going to look at how to find square root of 41 without calculator. So this is square root of 41. This is square root of 41 with calculator. So we're going to look at how we're going to use long division to arrive at this. First of all, what's square root? Square root is simply a value that when multiplied by itself gives the original number. For example, 4. 2 times 2 is 4. Square root of 4 is 2. So that's what square root is all about. So let me erase that quickly. Let's get back, or let's get down to work. Alright, so to find the square root of 41, we are going to look at the closest perfect square to 41. What is a perfect square? A perfect square is simply a number that when you multiply two identical numbers, you get them. Example, 9. 9 is a perfect square because 3 times 3 is 9. Alright, so the closest perfect square to 41 is 36. Square root of 36 is 6. Because 6 times 6 will give me 36. So since we have our closest perfect square to be 36, we can now write down from here 6. Now 6 times 6 is 36. We'll now do 41 minus 36. That leaves us with 5. After we have gotten here, the next thing we need to do is to now get down to the real work itself. 5 divided by this 6 divided by 2. You might be asking, where is 2 coming from? This 2. It didn't with square root, okay? If it was cube root, it would be 3. So this is 5 over 6. Using the skills we've learned in our fraction class, find the reciprocal of this, that will be 1 over 2. That leaves me with 5 over 12. So say using long division, my 5 goes in, my 12 stays out. 12 into 5, it can't go, so 0, you put your point. As you're putting your point, you add 0 to that. 12 into 50 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 1 is 4. So you subtract 48 from 50. That leaves me with what? 2. 12 into 2, you can't go, so you add 0 to that. 12 into 20 is 1. 1 times 12, that. So that leaves me with 8. So this goes on and on and on and on, but what we've gotten here is 0.41. So remember, we are trying to arrive at this. This is what we get after using calculator. So we had 6 here, 6.00, and we have 0.41 here, 0.41. So when you add that, give me 6.41. So that's the approximate value of this. So for those watching this video, I want you to try this. Square root of 91 and square root of 63. Leave your answer in the comment section. Thank you. You can also follow me on TikTok and also on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.